Hey traders, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you this strategy that is principally based on this incredible AI indicator and smart money indicator that can help you to generate accurate trade entry signals. As you should know by now, AI-powered indicators have been increasingly popular these days and has driven in a lot of improvement to different sectors, especially in the financial trading. Again, the smart money concept helps you to trade with the big banks that commit millions, if not billions, into the financial market so that you can make informed decisions before placing a trade. So if you're curious in learning more about advanced concepts, strategies, entry reasons, and how to stay disciplined with the trading plan, please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First thing you're going to want to do is go to TradingView.com. As you can see, we are open to the price of New Zealand dollar with US dollar currency pair, and on the 1 hour time frame. Again, these indicators are completely free on TradingView, and do not require a premium TradingView plan. Now, the first indicator is this tool called the Machine Learning Indicator. To add this indicator to our chart, you're going to click on the Indicators tab here, and you will search for Machine Learning, which is this one, the KNN-based strategy. You can see that it is even an editor's pick, and it is created by this guy called Capissimo. Then click on it to add the indicator to the chart. Now that you have added the indicator to the chart, let's go ahead and set up the indicator. So click on this gear icon. And on this input section, you are going to change this short period to 21, and this long period to 14, this base number of neighbors to 150, and then check this volatility filter. The style section doesn't have much settings to change, and then click OK. Now let's go ahead and explain this indicator. Now, it is important to know that this indicator uses a classic machine learning algorithm, known as the number of nearest neighbors, the KNN, to help you find a prediction of price for the next minutes and hours, or even the next days and weekly market trends, and the price direction. Now, the general idea of machine learning is to get a model to learn trends from historical data on any topic, and to be able to reproduce those trends on a comparable data in the future. Being a non-parametric, supervised machine learning algorithm, the KNN is one of the most simple learning algorithms, which means that these algorithms can discover hidden patterns or data groupings without the need for human intervention. In order for this indicator to perform a prediction of the next market direction, the KNN algorithm uses the historic data and finds the number of nearest neighbors of the current indicator values. The two-dimensional KNN algorithm will have a look on what has happened in the past, when the two indicators had a similar level. It then looks at the number of nearest neighbors, sees their state, and then classifies the current point, and then forecasts the future direction. This indicator combines the functions and the mode of operations of these four indicators to predict the most possible trend direction. Now, this is the buy signals from the KNN indicator, and this is the sell signal as well. Now, when you get a buy signal like this from the indicator right after some price consolidation, you will take a long trade like this at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss at this low, and target a risk to reward ratio of 2:1. And this could have been a pretty nice trade. Here is another example of a pretty nice trade. We are trading on the price of the USD card currency pair, and on the 5 minutes time frame. Here on the chart, you can see that the price has been trending down with a huge bearish momentum. But you got price exhaustion when the price reached here, because the price formed this small price consolidation, and the Lorentzian classification indicator gave you this signal to enter a long trade here, which had more confirmation because of these candles that formed the three white soldiers candlestick pattern, which is a very strong bullish signal that occurs after a downtrend and the beginning of an uptrend, and it shows a steady increase in buying pressure. And then you will grab the position tool and enter a long trade at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss just at this low here, and target a 4:1 risk to reward ratio. This could have been a pretty nice trade, because you had another confirmation to the signal that was given by the Lorentzian indicator. Now, this indicator works best in the lower time frame, but not as much in the higher time frame, and I suggest that you check the different settings in the indicator, so as to see what works best for you. Now, let's move on to the second indicator, which is the smart money indicator. Here on the chart, you can see that we are open to the price of USD JPY currency pair, and on the 5 minutes time frame. This tool is one of the most advanced smart money concept indicator in TradingView that can simplify and make smart money concept trading strategy more simple and easy to help you to understand the market even better. Now, to add this wonderful smart money indicator to our chart, you will have to click on Indicators tab over here and search for Lux Algo. Then add this one, the Smart Money Concept Indicator. It's written by this guy named Luxalgo. You can see the number of people that have used the indicator already. It's over 24,000 people, and still counting. And you have tons of other valuable indicators that were created by the person. Now that we have added the indicator to our chart, let's go through and explain the indicator. First off, you got to go to the setting of the indicator to set up and fine-tune the indicator according to your strategy and your liking. Now, here you can check these colored candles to filter out the smaller market moves, but I like to keep it to its default. You can come down here to check this show swings points, to show the extreme highs and lows in the market. You can go ahead and check all these settings one after another. Now, here on the chart, the indicator will help you to identify and accurately draw the bearish and bullish break of structures, change of characters and order blocks, so that you will not worry yourself drawing it again, except for more precise ones. Now, you have the price trending down with a heavy momentum, creating order flows through this bearish break of structures and change of character. But when the price reached here, it formed this order block because of this imbalance right here, and this change of character. When the price started forming these bullish equal lows, you will then know that there is liquidity resting here to be taken out. And then you will target this order block that is yet to be mitigated for another possible bullish trend. And set your stop loss just below this internal order block, and extend your profit target to this high here, which will give you a risk to reward ratio of 6-to-1. And if you look at what happened later, the price came down to the order block, tapped into the order block, and started trending up again, in this case hitting our take profit. Now let us take another example of a trade where the indicator is doing magic. But before that, if you are looking for a crypto exchange that currently has 0 spot trading fees, some of the lowest fees when it comes to futures trading, with fast order execution, and up to a $30,000 bonus, and the highest catalog of promising airdrops and upcoming crypto projects, then check out the links in the description of the video to get access to all of these perks. Here is another example. On the price of euro with the British pound currency pair, and on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the price came down with a heavy momentum because of this big bearish momentum candle. Then look at what the price did when the price reached here. The price formed this small order block here because of this break of structure here, and this imbalance that was created at this point. And then the price went up to purge this liquidity here before reversing downwards. Now, when price came back to the order block, it tapped into the order block before it started trending up again. And if you had entered this long trade earlier, at this order block here, you could have had your trade running with a risk to reward ratio of 8-to-1 at this recent high, which could have also been a pretty nice trade with huge win rate. Or you can even go down to the lower time frame to have a more refined trade entries. Now, these indicators are not magic. They are just a tool to help you understand the market even better, and to make better decisions towards the market. You should never rely only on them for trade entries, which means you should be able to also fine-tune your entries so that you can have a more enhanced win rate. If you're interested in learning more about advanced concepts, strategies, entry reasons, and how to stay disciplined with the trading plan, please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.